Today we're taking you behind the scenes of a winter motorcycle shoot. We went out with my Honda Transalp 750 and Alami's Africa Twin CRF 1100, loaded carefully onto the trailer with my multivan. This was actually my first time doing this type of trailer motorcycle loading. Watching a professional like Alami handle it, it was a great experience. I was able to notice all the small details, the way he balances the bike, checks every strap, positions the ramp, and handles the weight. I learned a lot just by observing and helping, and it gave me confidence to try it myself in the future. Using the ramp and balancing the bikes, it's trickier than it looks, especially in cold conditions where everything can be slippery, especially the ramp. Even small movements need attention.
Singura prostie care ai putea să o faci și să le faci pe ulei.
I quickly realized that patience is key. You can't rush loading a motorcycle safely onto the trailer. Having Alami there made everything smoother, and it was also reassuring to have someone with so much experience guiding me. This is our setup for the moment. We're getting ready, and we're going to a place to explore a little bit the forest with some snow, hopefully with some snow, and we see what we can do. Once the bikes were safely unloaded, we explored the forest nearby to find the best spots for shooting. The landscape was more than we've expected, considering that it was very close to our home. Shooting photos and videos for Instagram, TikTok and YouTube in these conditions is a little bit challenging. Your hands get cold, gear can be stiff, and everything takes longer, but at the same time it's rewarding. It's -8 Celsius outside and the forest is completely frozen, but that didn't stop us.
stânga.
Ții?
Da. Să fim și aproape.
We took our time to enjoy the process despite the cold. We've made some coffee, we made short breaks to warm our hands, adjusting camera angles, trying different compositions, and sharing tips with each other made the day feel a real collaboration. The weight actually really matters, and the weight distribution as well. There were also small learning moments along the way. I noticed how carefully you need to be when positioning the bikes, even for a single shot. Every little adjustment matters, and having someone experienced like Alami next to you helps you avoid mistakes that could be costly.
Ram pam pam pam, era vomit. Hai că mergi. La limită, da.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Te ajut? Oh! Vezi că aici e o... Ha? Ușor, ușor. Stai că țin. Da? Ia mergi puțin pe ea. Bagă dongle-ul, apasă în jos odată, apăsat. Gata?
Îl așa continuu.
Ușor, ușor. Mamă, și cum se vede? Bombă.
Vede bine, nu?
Da.
Eu o fac frumos. Aici am pot să merg. E gheață jos.
Da? Oprește-o, oprește-o și o întoarce manual. Nu, oprește-o, lasă acolo. E gheață. O să stau în spate să țin oricum. Alunecă fața. Dongle-ul. Dai. Hopa, hopa. Am pins un pic asta. Da, cu atât mai bine.
De acolo.
A, bun. Las-o acolo. Ca să o prindem din mai multe locații. Hai să vedem aici cum o așez.
Trebuie să o aliniezi, da, aliniază un pic.
Stai.
Așa și trebuie să ții cu capul. Vezi că e mai greu ca tine, asta zic. Tot timpul asta e gândită, știi? Nu vreau să nu, doar să ții prima acolo. E o continuare? Care urcă o asta din spate, a urcat?
Da, urcat.
After the shooting was done, it was time to carefully load the bikes back onto the trailer. This is another moment where attention is crucial. The ramp is icy, the bikes are heavy, and you have to stay focused. Driving with a trailer on frozen or slippery roads also requires patience and care. You don't take shortcuts. Every turn, every stop, every small movement has to be deliberate. Looking back, it was a really long day, but extremely rewarding. From loading the bikes in the morning, shooting in the forest, then driving home safely with a trailer, there's a lot more that goes into this than people realize. Experiencing this for the first time, seeing a professional in action and being part of the entire process gave me a lot of insight. Now I have a better understanding of what goes into creating high-quality motorcycle photos and videos, especially in winter conditions. And honestly, working with my friend Alami, managing the bikes, exploring the forest and capturing beautiful footage made the day truly memorable. And that's what makes these behind-the-scenes experiences so satisfying. That's a lot of work, but seeing it all come together makes it completely worth it. At some point where we load the Africa Twin back on the trailer, Alami requested for me to push the front brake, and accidentally I've twisted the throttle, but Alami was very experienced to know that I might be twisting the throttle while try to lift the bike and keep also the front brake pressed. So you know, this type of things can happen if you don't have experience. But this was not our case. Alami handled it that pretty well, and we had no incident.
Nice.
Uite, asta e slabă din față. Uite asta.
Atâta, nu vreau să țin aici, nu vreau să apropie.
Ah, ok, da.
A fost gândit așa. Tot mă stângeau.
Spatele e ok?
Tot. Nu vă scântă?
Nu. It was a nice day, huh?
A great day. Very beautiful day.
We did our shooting
photo video shooting, we experience the trailer taking the motorcycle. For me it's the first time, so I just needed to watch and learn from the master.
You did a good job.
Yeah.
Da, mister, da. Dacă nici tu, atunci cine? Da. Da, mă, talent.
For the final results, make sure you're checking our Instagram accounts. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.